Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have some special products to share with you. Sabrina from Scrappy Crafts, she's on our design team, and if you didn't know, she has a very successful business selling handmade cards. She's on Etsy and she has her own shop, scrappytailscrafts.com. She has now expanded her business and now is selling beautiful stamps and dies. So I'm going to share some of those products with you today, and we're going to make a beautiful card with them. So first I'm going to share these beautiful stamps. This is the German Winter Village stamp set, and it is beautiful. It's got some beautiful sentiments. I love this cute little couple here looking out into the village. We've got a Christmas tree, we've got ice skaters, a girl walking her dog, another person here waving hello, and the sentiments: baby, it's cold outside, all I want for Christmas is you, warm wishes and winter wishes. Now this stamp set here goes perfect together with this one. You can mix and match them to create a huge scene. This is the Christmas market stamp set. It's got a Ferris wheel, some more trees, the little market stands, and the carousel. Merry Christmas is the sentiment, and there also is a light post. So I'm going to put these together and create a nice scene using this new die, which I love because it's a Slimline shadow box die. So I thought that was super cool. There is also sentiments in here, hello and happy birthday. You also get some dies in here to decorate your box. There's also a hill in there. So this is going to be really fun. Now we've got the Slimline gift card holder. So this is an add-on that you can put behind your boxes. And then it also comes with sentiments. So that's an extra bonus. And this is the Lacy Borders die. So if you really want to dress up your cards or your boxes, this is perfect. So we're going to make a beautiful Slimline shadow box today. I'm going to start with some coloring. So you can find these products at scrappytailscrafts.com. We've got social media that you can follow her. She is Scrappy Tails Crafts, and these products are made in the USA. I'm stamping today with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm using Hammermill Premium Color Copy cover paper in 100-pound weight. I'm also going to be coloring with my Copic markers today. I knew I was making a large scene, so I was thinking what colors to use and how to keep this whole scene cohesive. So I just chose a few colors and used them throughout each image. So I made sure I used the orange and that blue color throughout the whole scene. I also made sure to use the same browns and greens throughout the whole scene. When I was done coloring all my images, I went back and added some details. I did little dots so they represent little bricks. I thought that turned out really cute. After I was done with the coloring, I cut my images out with my brother's Scan and Cut. To add even more detail, I took out my white Jelly Roll pen and added snow over each image. Then I took out my Stardust stickles and added some snow detail to the areas of the images that had snow. I really wanted that to pop. There's a hill die with the box die, and it will cut two little score marks at the ends of your hill. So I'm not sure how many hills I'm going to be using for this project. I'm guessing 3 or 4 hills. I cut my box panel out twice, so I'm going to fold those on the score marks as well. So one of the panels you're going to want to cut a window out using one of the rectangle dies. I'll use my grid mat here to make sure everything's lined up straight, and then I'm just going to push this flap down, and then we can see if it's lined up perfectly. I could do a little wiggling since I did use the adhesive. We'll do the same to the other side of the box. Now, I also cut panels out to decorate the box, and this will also help give more sturdiness to the box. I used some Lawn Fawn pattern paper. So I wanted to decorate the inside with this bokeh paper here. Now you could have decorated this before you put the box together. That probably would have been wise, but I just didn't think about that. So work smarter, not harder, and decorate your box before you put it together, because you have to decorate the outside as well. Okay, so I got the inside done. Now to work on the outside. The outside I decided to put the smaller bokehs. Now that I have the inside and the outside decorated, I'm going to work on these hills. So I'm going to add the hills on the inside, kind of stagger them so they're at different levels. Okay, I have all my hills in place, and now I can put my little images in there. I suggest you subscribe to Scrappy Tail Crafts, and she will have tutorials on how to put her boxes together. This is the first time I'm putting this together, so I'm sure I would do it different next time. There's another add-on. It's a gift card pocket die, and it has score lines that you can fold on, and then add your adhesive and add this to the back of your cards. This is a perfect size for your Slimline cards and for this shadow box. I'm just using my liquid adhesive to adhere that pocket. That's Jackie's liquid adhesive from Jackie's Craft Table. Love her glue. And I'll just let that dry, and I'm using my handy magnets there to hold down my pocket in place. There's also a die in the set that has small little words, perfect to add to the back of this pocket. So I think I'm going to use a little gift for you. So we've got the back all done. Got a little gift for you. Write our little message there. Now let's finish working on the inside. Okay, I'm going to add my images to my card box. I decided to go with the white poinsettias, and I did add an acetate window on the front of this in the end. I thought that really gave it a nice touch. You might be able to see the acetate window in the pictures at the end of the video. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to check out Sabrina's website, and happy shopping, guys. Take care.